this is your channel messages for the 8th of June. Leo, your channel message is Capricorn, the 4 of Swords, 6 of Cups. So I'm getting picking off where you left off the last time you spoke to this Leo. I'm also getting something about you said something and it really hurted this Leo's feelings. So I'm getting them went into incognito, basically. I'm getting somebody either expects you to apologize or someone's going ghost until you apologize. And I'm getting something that's happening with that Capricorn. That could be the other man or the other woman. I was also getting a clear audience message this morning. I'm getting somebody has been watching you and someone thinks you have a nasty attitude. But thankfully you don't give a fuck. Because if you did, then it would be concerning. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Leo, so maybe your attitude came with you saying something pretty hurtful. Okay. But maybe they were acting like an asshole for you to be hurtful. I'm pretty sure you're not just hurtful for no reason, Leo. Okay. And when you hurt somebody's feelings, I'm getting you put them on blast. So I'm not sure what a Capricorn did to you or what a Leo did to you. We have the High Priestess. That's the Cancer card. We have the 4 of Wands. We have the 6 of Swords. We have the 6. We have 66 here. And we also have the 5 of Swords. Okay, so I'm getting straight up, Leo, somebody jealous of you. I'm getting you said nothing to the person that was attacking the person. Are you a High Priestess? You're a tarot reader, fortune teller. Apparently someone's watching you. And it's weird to say that someone thinks you have a terrible attitude, but them still watching you. It sounds like somebody jealous of you. And it sounds like if you had a penis and 2 balls, then you could have get away with what you were saying. They're going to be like, oh my God, you have such a shitty personality. You have such a harsh personality. So does your boss when you want a sick day. Oh my God, you have such a terrible personality. So does your favorite athletes. So I don't know what the fuck they're coming over here for in the fucking High Priestess's world. I'm getting it's because you're a girl, basically. Me getting you one single female. I don't know if you do anything in astrology alone. Because me getting here is a single female, you live alone. That means you don't depend on the other. You don't depend on masculine thoughts to consume your creative side. Me getting you live alone, you're being praised alone, you build something from the ground alone. We have the 4 of Wands here that talks about stability. We have 66, 6 of Swords, 6 of Pentacles. So maybe in order for you to reach this High Priestess level, you had to leave somebody. And me getting, it's like it's waking up one day and you're cutting off everybody. And you're saying, me don't want to talk to you anymore. I don't know if you're saying that you find a purpose, but I feel like you start listening to your intuition. And all of a sudden, it's like, I'm not sure what this newfound ideology is that this person feels like somehow you're no better than them. I'm getting you cannot grow with this person's company. I'm getting somebody jealous of you, basically. You do something alone. Them can't give you them can't give you their opinions. Them can't turn it and them can't shade it the way how them wanted it to be shaded. Is it something about a man? Come feel like you're a single female doing something alone, and you notice when you date men, them always are trying to control your creative endeavor. Them never did what you did before, but the fact because he's a man, him feel like him opinions matter. Even get it, I don't know, I'm getting somebody's very jealous of you. Is it about your living situation? Somebody jealous about? Because we have a 6 of Swords, 6 of Pentacles here. That can talk about roommates. Maybe you don't have roommates, which is a privilege, I'm finding out. Especially when you're dating men. A lot of them will use them friend room for girls. Or a lot of them have roommates. So I don't know if you're a single female that don't have roommates. But I'm getting you're the High Priestess. Maybe your job is not so-called reputable for you to even have this type of lifestyle. We have the 3 of Cups. Yes, something about females. I'm getting you dating men who are jealous of females. Maybe as the High Priestess, you are influencing females to walk away from fucked up, abusive men. And men don't like it. Men don't like when you make women smart. They like to keep women dumb, and they like to keep women feeling like if them tell them ugly, them really ugly. If them tell them unworthy, they're really unworthy. And me getting you as a woman is making all these type of women feel good about themselves. Yeah, because you never need a man to feel good about yourself. We have the 9 of Swords. We have the 9 of Pentacles. So we have 6699. We have the 10 of Wands, and we also have the 6. We have 6 of Cups 2 times. No, I'm sorry. The 6 of Cups was a channel message. It came back out. Somebody wants an apology from you. We're getting somebody want to talk to you. I don't know if somebody try to infiltrate what you're doing. Cause I feel like even if this is battle of the minds and genders, me getting the women are on top. Me getting the men can't complete anything without the woman. You can't complete it. You need a woman to complete it. A bunch of men sitting down is not entertaining enough. That's why reality shows always work better with women. You notice? When you have any type of reality TV show, basketball, wives, love and hip hop, it works better with women because nobody wants to sit down and watch a bunch of men. Unless it's politics, I assume. And even Elon Musk got tired of sitting down. And speaking of Elon Musk, I saw the whole controversy where them saying Elon Musk is doing ketamine, allegedly. And them say Trump has been found on the Harvey Weinstein list, allegedly. I rather ketamine than being found on the fucking Epstein list. I won't lie. I rather ketamine than potential, trafficker. This is just my opinion, okay? Me getting them can't complete something without the women. What is this? Me getting infiltration. You are being infiltrated like Soul Illuminati. Here he was cussing off, what the girl name? He was cussing off the young lady about how much dick and she's the biggest whore. So Illuminati, you know to say a soul sensor. So Illuminati, Zoe. You cuss off Zoe talking about how Zoe suck how much dick. Well, I hope that she will suck dick and not pussy, sir. Right? And you're talking about how Soul Illuminati, they own your fucking soul. You can't even talk about DDG and baby mother. You owned. You sold your soul for fame, brody. When you were on YouTube, you were talking about the third eye shit that the government want to hide from you because they're poisoning in your water. Plus, they have too much fluoride in the fucking toothpaste. And this nigga went on, where you went on? Twitch, Kick, Adon Ross channel. We don't know where the fuck you went. But wherever you went, sweetie, your soul was bought. Nigga, they own you. Him can't even talk about DDG drama. Don't ask me why I'm using a fork to mix my tea. I was feeling adventurous this morning since I don't have love in my life. That nigga owned. Nigga own you. Let me see your tattoo. You can't even talk about DDG and Haley. Other niggas, you can't even talk about them. Your manager. Nigga, you ain't Kai. Nigga, you are not Adon Ross. What do you mean manager? Manager? Like YouTube manager, like YouTube studio, you have manager. Nigga, you do not make that much money. You make more than me. What you know, manager, what the fuck you need for manage? Aren't you Soul Illuminati? Aren't you a enlightened man? Why would you see, that's how we know some of these niggas aren't niggas. Some of these niggas are real ass niggas. You're Soul Illuminati. You start off spiritually. Why you need a nigga for manage your shit? Oh, because you know about your soul, but you don't know about YouTube studio. Why would you make another man run your shit? Ask Kai how long it take him before people start running shit. He ain't just copyright streamers university for himself. So Illuminati, your soul has been sold. I knew it. We lost another one. We lost another one to fame. He can't even speak on him channel. Him boss, not manager. His boss is telling him he cannot speak about it. So if you want to know if I am owned by anybody, just listen to if I can speak about anything. You see, if I can't speak about certain things, sweetie, I'm owned. And I'll be damned to be owned again after my ancestors fought so long from slavery for me to come here to be owned again. Sweetie, what is the sense that you have a creative platform and you can't say what you want to say? You own, nigga. Zoe isn't. Zoe is still single. Let's go around the table one more time. We're getting something about women. A lot of girls. Or somebody don't like that you show more support for your girl. Yes, because you are a girl. Maybe if you were a man, you just show more support to men. It's like somebody want you to turn your back on your mother. Turn your back on the females. Yeah, the females are this, the females are that. Yeah, but you have a pussy too. So what you want to do? You want me to pick me, girl? You know, I just hate all these females. Yeah, females are so bad, you know. But even though I'm a female, these men like me. What the fuck? Yeah, I want a female too. You think staying around a bag of men who talking shit about females don't exclude you? You're just a bitch who's there who wants attention so much, you're willing to hear what them saying about your own kind. We have the 10 of Pentacles. We have the 4 of Pentacles. We have the 8 of Cups. We have the 4 of Wands. And we also have the Moon card. I believe the 4 of Wands and the 6 of Cups was a channel message. Like somebody is in hiding, somebody is incognito until you apologize to them. You said something about them. Them I tell you something about how shitty women is. Yeah, but you can't get pussy. So you couldn't even experience how shitty women is because you're a loser, basically. So are you sure that because you can't get pussy, that's not the reason why you're so hostile? I don't think the reason why you're hostile is because of women. I think the reason why you're hostile is because you can't get pussy. And you blame it on women. Instead of blaming it on your toxic male friends who are giving you shitty advice as to how to get pussy from women. But for some reason, it's always your mom's fault. It's always your mom's fault. Your mother cannot outlive the sperm that was impregnating her. Forever, she have to be blamed and reminded about the decision she did not make and why your life is not good because of her. Somebody, you might be talking about daddy issues. Somebody might have mommy issues because somebody do not like women, especially women who can lead solo without backing of a man. The 10 of Pentacles is clarifying the High Priestess, the 3 of Cups, and the 10 of Pentacles. So I'm getting a lot of women that patronize you. You might say that men don't spend money, men don't patronize your services, women do. Men want you to do things for free. The women will actually pay your money for insights. The men don't trust your knowledge because you're a girl. But other women trust your knowledge because you're a girl going through the same thing they're going through. Some women are willing to patronize you, men aren't. It's like somebody are trying to talk you out of charging money for something. Somebody's trying to talk you out of your worth. Because I see a man who will tell you, say, you need a certain type of college degree if you can meet his mother. And the same type of man will tell you, say, yeah, why you don't drop out of this? Because it seems like you're spending more time here than here. I'm getting somebody want you to lower your worth, lower your confidence. But women are willing to pay for your prices. Women are willing to at least spend money on you. The 10 of Pentacles, that's a lot of money. The men want to make it look like, oh, you're a girl and it doesn't matter what you do at the end of the day, you're a girl. I know I'm a girl. They don't have to remind me. I get a reminder every single month for 2 to 5 days. I'm getting there's men here, but there's a bunch of weak men here who is not as headstrong as women. So, I don't know. If they have to call you, be having a nasty personality for you to continue showing the role model you have to show for women since they're nasty pussy mothers. Could not show them role models because they were too busy trying to be the perfect wife for their cheating husbands. Then you go ahead and do it. Especially if you're single. You can make a man opinion. The last nigga who talked shit about another girl, Zoe. The last nigga, Soul Illuminati, who talked shit about Zoe. Now he's a slave. Him own. That nigga sold his fucking soul and his name, Soul Illuminati. Look at this shit. And look how I done Zoe. I tell Zoe say how she this and she suck dick and she this and she that. And she mad because she never get the opportunity. Well, we're glad Zoe never get the opportunity. Zoe, you still own your pussy. Soul Illuminati don't own him dick or him ass. You was sold out. No matter what them say, I made up my mind. I am a food for Christ. Sold out. That nigga sold the fuck out. Didn't care about DDG. Continue doing what you're doing, Leo. Leo, you're the sun, but Leo is also the sun card, which is a boy. They're saying it's a man's job. Okay, well, sir, the man can't grow up into a good, healthy man unless he was breastfed properly. So you still need a fucking woman. You still need mommy to carry to school on day one. But you want to tell mom that, you know, she's a dumbass bitch after you graduate college. Not remembering she's the one who brought you there. I'm getting is men who jealous of you because you were confident enough to follow your dreams and they were not. That's where it's coming from. We have Scorpio. We have Libra. We have Venus. We have Virgo. We got Shark, and we have a political agenda. Exactly. Nobody wants to hear men talking unless it's politics. That's why every podcast them keep bringing on girls. That's why reality TV do better with women. I'm going to leave it here because the energy is getting a bit masculine and it needs to stay feminine for the ladies. I'm going to leave it here until next time, Leo. Bye.